Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Topic today: how to modify sockets command uh, by Command Alias feature in AutoCAD version 2018. Okay, so now you look on screen. You look on screen. You click here, activate this command. Click here, activate aliases feature. Click here. Okay, now you look uh, AutoCAD alias editor dialog box open. Okay, now you are click command aliases. So you look now, for example, distant command. You can edit shortcut this command. Click here, edit. Okay. You type name 13. Okay. Now you look the distance edit 13, and then you apply. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now we test these sockets 13. Enter distance. Okay. Uh, Open this aliases dialog box again. Okay. Now, if you want to remove this socket, you click here and then remove. Yes. Applies. Yes. Okay. 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 You test again. 13. Understand. Not understand distance command. Okay. Open again. Now you want to add new distance. Now I delete this distance. Delete, remove. Yes. Now add again. Okay. 1, 2. Distance. Okay. Okay. You look 1, 3 distance. And then applies. Yes. Okay. 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 Now we test distance. This command 1, 2. Understand. AutoCAD understand 1, 2, 4 distance command. Okay. Very easy. This video tutorial today is the end. If you feel this video is helpful, you click subscribe to receive new video tutorial. Okay, thank you so much.